hagi bana ki bala dep ka konhun menteri jong sarkar Meghalaya kalarai ban Pynkylla no ya ki syllabus ki bujuk penkhre pat penbit penbyang deka Meghalaya Board of School Education she ki syllabus ki bala penbit penbyang pat penkhre deka NCERT Hendrai ya kani ka jingthumu jong sarkar jala ban pentri kamno deka syllabus ka pathamai lapan pau ka jing persya deki Nongdie kot nani ki dukan dikot ki baphe ki badan haga jala Meghalaya kani ka konhun ki Nongdie kot apa ka jala Meghalaya kala pha deka jingtho sha menteri rang ba ka jala ukonda sangma haga bakala kantu yu man pen sangi shwaya kani ka jingthu Pynkylla ya ka syllabus nadu usnam arjar arpusau hendai ban pentri kamno nadu usnam arjar arpusan kawini ki daw bakila ai nakalyang jo kinong dikot kalong bakani ka jing pentrikam ya kani ka syllabus ka pathamai kala shlong kerki bakala start palan bat kani kan bu jing e shibun e yaki kom kinong dikot kila ong ba ki kot ki bala penkhre bat penbit penbyang de ke embos ki dei ki bakila pulut pisa bun ba bat poiru de ki Klur tengka tidak ada pentrikam no jang ke embos syanu kin bu pat ya kani ka jinglut jongki nata kawi pat ka daw bakila ai kalong baki kot SSA ya ka bakila dep thit nandu kini ki snam ke bala dep bagi di ban sam sikit skol na duk asnam arajar arpusau ti hendrai la pentri kamno ada ka syllabus jong ka NCERT na duk asnam arajar arpusau shenukin bu ya kan ki kot ka bagi lathit aka dor ke barambha bar pulut bun ba ka pisa kila ongru baka Jingduhnong ha ka po jong COVID-19 karang kata bahaya ki ti la pentri kamno ada ka syllabus ka bathamakan kata sibun ya ka digathit ba ka kamai ka kaji ke jongki lengba kaji Pynkylla ya ka syllabus kamta kila kentu yo menteri rang ba pasangi asyuan untuk usnam ajar arpusau hendrai ban pentrikam nadu usnam ajar arpusan nakalyang menteri rang ba abekan bikila pathai khabar mata ka sngi ong baka jing Pynkylla naki kat jaka embus syaka NCERT ka dei namar bi ki kol ani ke syllabus ki bapuli shani ka kas 8 berkas 9 haka NCERT la puli tangki kas 6 ni kas 7 baki don shibun baki Jingduhnong hakalyang ki kat ki bala penkhre ka embus kumta ka soka klara ban pentrikam no daka NCERT lani ki syllabus jong ka NCERT
for class 9 so for class 6 or 7 was being taught in Meghalaya in class 8 and 9 whereas in NCERT it was being taught much earlier in 6. Another thing is that at the national level when the different assessments are made the NCERT norms are also a very important factor because there are certain aspects, I don't remember exactly all the issues, but it is a very important part of the assessment part where NCERT plays important. But the most crucial part which maybe the honourable member has not understood or did not understand what we're trying to do is that we will be adapting the syllabus to adapt to our own requirements. Now therefore we will be able to, number one, as I said, compete at a national level. The courses will become slightly more uniform in nature. We will be able to do the quality assessment exercises in a much better manner. And thirdly, as I said, wherever the necessary adaptation has to be taken place, we will adapt based on our own local culture and history and conditions out here, and then only finalize the different syllabus for different subjects.